This holiday season, go bigger with SolutionsHOCl. When you buy our value size products like the Cistern and Catchment Bomb, you'll get one of each free sample included. Our toilet bomb removes tough odors, grime, and stains, leaving your toilet fresh without harsh chemicals. Our produce cleaner washes away grime, residue, helping your fruits and veggies stay cleaner and fresher longer. General purpose cleaner makes a full gallon of powerful cleaner perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or any surface in your home. Our Cistern and Catchment Bomb keeps your cisterns and rainwater tanks fresh. It neutralizes algae odor and slimy film naturally. Prefer the regular size? When you buy any $19.97 product, you'll receive one free sample, your choice of toilet bomb, produce cleaner, or general purpose cleaner. When you buy a value size, you will get one of each of these 3 samples. Don't miss out. Shop now and get your free samples. Learn more. Visit SolutionsHOCl.com.